Hey there, it's Seaton. Today I'll be talking about the new Pliage colors for Longchamp for the new year spring 2025 collection. I was able to see, I believe, all the new colorways, and I did buy one, which I am going to unbox right now. I'll go over it, I'll compare the colors, and I'll put in a what's fit at the end, and I'll talk about the collection in general. So let me just start right now. As you can see, I got it in a dust bag. The recycled nylons do not come with this dust bag. This dust bag is reserved for leather bags only. But if you get it at a boutique and you put in a request, they will put it in one for you, so at no extra charge. So let's take a look at it. Here is the color. This is the new colorway called Marshmallow. It's the color of pink marshmallows. And it's one of 5 colorways, new colorways for spring. I've already reviewed one of the other colorways. The colorways were, let me see, in the original line, which is what this is. It was Marshmallow, which is this, Eucalyptus, which is a greenish blue, a teal blue, Tomato, and it is not like the discontinued Pliage green and tomato from last year, from this year. I mean, it's still 2024 as I'm doing this video. It's still October 2024, and I'm pushing this through very early because it's still breast cancer awareness month, so pink for that. So usually when I review and unbox the new colorways, I looked it up because I've done it for the past 4 seasons now. I usually do it in January or February. So I'm really pushing this through in a quick way for you. So you could, get a jump on it because Longchamp has not done a pink in 2 seasons. So a lot of people were like really getting anxious for a new pink colorway since there's not even one offered right now. But I know that the new collection, Spring 2025, is literally called Think Pink. So pink and gardening is the focus and the theme of the new collection. So let me see, where was I on that? Okay, yeah. So the 5 new colorways that I've seen, there might be more because usually they Longchamp offers 6 or 7, but I only saw 5, and there might be something going on with the Pliage green line. So if there's anything that you want, you should kind of hurry on that because I feel like there's going to be changes to that. But anyway, 1 Marshmallow, 2 Eucalyptus. I did a review on Eucalyptus, written review in a post on my Instagram account with pictures, so you can take a look at that if you want. 3 Tomato, and it is not like the previous tomato. It is a new colorway, and it looks like orangey red orange, like more like the previous grenadine in the original. So if you've missed out on grenadine previously, you could get on that. And the 2 colorways that I saw in the Pliage green line was 1 Artichoke, 2 Terra. Now Terra was a previous release in the original line, in the original line around 2017, somewhere thereabouts. But I was thinking about getting that one, but it was different from the previous Terra. What I remember about it, Terra back then was like this cool grayish brown, and the one that I saw is more like a olive greenish brown. Still a little bit cool, not very warm, but not what I was expecting. So I'm going to have to sit on that for a bit. Artichoke is very similar to, and I might or might not do a post and review on those two colors on my Instagram. I haven't decided yet because I don't know if I've gotten a full grasp on it. But anyway, artichoke looks like the Pliage Club in khaki, if you remember that one. It is very much like the color of artichoke hearts. It is a yellowish green, a khaki yellowish green, with a much darker flap than you usually see in the green line. So I was taken aback by how similar it was to the Le Pliage Club in khaki, and that one, the khaki in the green in the club line, had like an orange horse and trim and button. If you could remember that, that one was one of the earliest. I think that was 2018. So anyway, let me show you Marshmallow, because I was not thinking about getting Marshmallow, but once I saw it, it was very, very cute, very sweet. And I'm going to compare it to the other light pinks that I have. I usually prefer like a mid-tone pink, but you know, I was quite taken with it. It's a little bit more brighter and more saturated than it looks like on my screen right now. Um, it is aptly named. It is the color of pink marshmallows, or I would have preferred to have called it pink lemonade. It's the color of pink lemonade, to my mind. And unfortunately for me, because I usually don't do this, it has a white lining. Let me look at the cards to see if any of the written is changed. Recycled textile trimmed with cowhide. Okay, it's the same. Now I don't have too many 1621, which is what this model is. Okay, let me show you the tag on that. It is made in Tunisia. And the color code on that is P92. I don't have too many 1621s in the in the original line. The only one I have is this orange one from 2017. And the 1620, I bought this after they made a size change to this model, the 1621 model, in 2016. So it should be the same size, and the only difference is that the marshmallow should have that extra pocket in the back. I'm just gonna compare right now. And this orange one is also made in Tunisia, like the majority of the pliages are made right now. Okay, yeah, I mean, looks like all the sizes are the same. except it just has this back pocket. And my orange is also white on the inside. Let me see if I could focus. Yeah, I mean, like you can see that I do have some marks here and there, even though I don't really use this much, but you know, it cannot be. And I use pouches and don't put, you know, anything dirty inside, but you know, the white ones always leave a mark no matter what you do. And this is too small for me to use an insert, so it looks like it is the same, except that it just has that extra pocket. What I'm going to do now is, if you have seen my previous videos, then you have seen this. Oops. Which I did an unboxing of 2 years ago. This is Petal Pink in the Pliage Green Line 1621 model, same model, from 2 years ago, spring 2023 collection. I really enjoy this. The last time you saw it, which was in my peacock unboxing, it had like these stains right here, but you know, you just like do a little spot cleaning and it all came out. Now, why did I buy the Marshmallow when I already had the Petal Pink? But you can see that the color is different. The Petal Pink has a gray lining, which is what I prefer, and it is a little bit more subdued, you know. So it is mostly full. And what I'm going to do is take all the stuff in here and put it in my new Marshmallow bag. So let me do that. And you can see, like, you know, what's going to fit. Okay, so now it's empty. And this one only has the large back pocket, which is I prefer. I don't use the pocket in the front, which is why. I do have a lot of the green line because it doesn't, the front pocket doesn't match to me. The green line doesn't have that because they have this logo instead. That's going to interfere with the stitching of the front pocket. So let's put everything in this. The first thing that I'm going to do is, and you know, I'll describe what I'm going to put in here, okay? Let me put a very large sunglasses and case Longchamp brand in here first. Then I'm going to put my Pliage umbrella with the matching Russian leather handle in here. I cannot put it on the bottom because it is a little bit bigger than the bottom. So what I usually do is, like, it has to be on the top or angled somewhere in the middle. So I'm going to do that. I have a Kindle. I don't really use my Kindle, but people do, and people have said that they want to see what a Kindle looks like inside. I don't use an iPad. I pretty much use my phone now to read when I do. We have one notebook, Longchamp notebook that I got as a gift. And let's see, I have a 16-ounce water bottle. I have a pouch from 2017 in the colorway Pinky. This is actually probably my favorite, light pink. I kind of regret that I didn't get a small handbag in this, the 1621, but it's fine. I really wanted one with the 2 pockets anyway, and it's like still a relatively good match with the Marshmallow. If you want to see the pinks that I am showing you, take a screenshot of this. I put in the name of what I'm showing you, the year it came out, plus the color code. Okay, so the pouch is number 1, Pinky from 2017. It has my keys in there, and I'm using it as a keep all. So let me put that in there. Okay. We have a phone. This is it's the same size, which is like a 6.4 screen as my Google Pixel and my Samsung. So just to give you an idea, 6.4 screen. I'm going to put that. Okay, here we go. We have some tin of mints. My Longchamp ePure card holder for my transit cards. I have a dedicated video on this, so you can take a look all the way down from early this year. And I'm using this MCM clay to hold some cash and some cards. I think that was called Blossom Pink Bulldog, if you want to know what it was. And I still have room, but that's more than enough for my needs. So I'm going to snap it. And you can see that it is mostly full. So there you have it. This is Longchamp Pliage Original in the new colorway Marshmallow. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section. And of course, I will answer it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, so that I can do more videos like this. But until next time, this is Seaton. Bye now.